All right, I want you to go ahead and get out your math book and turn to page 97. Now this activity calls for some number cards and cubes, which I can't do online. So we're just gonna draw 6 and 7 counters. So first of all, what number is this and what number is this? This is number 6 and this is number 7. To make a 6, you start at the top, down to a hoop, 6 rows a loop. Give it a little loop. And to make a 7, across the top and then a line, number 7 is divine. So what we're going to do now is we are going to draw 6 counters or circles and then 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go ahead and do a one-page flip, and I want you to watch this little video.
We can count 6 and 7 using shells. What do you see? There are shells. How can you tell how many shells there are? You can count. There are 6 shells. How many counters are there? There are 6 counters. How is the bottom picture like the top picture? It shows 6. How is the bottom picture different? It shows 6 with counters instead of shells. What number is Jackson writing? He is writing the number 6. Why is Jackson writing the number 6? He is writing it to show the number of shells. If you trace this number, what number will you write? You will write the number 6. Where do you start to trace the number? You start at the dot at the top. Count the shells. How many shells are there? There are 7 shells. Jackson is writing the number of shells. What number is Jackson writing? He is writing the number 7. If you trace this number, what number will you write? You will write the number 7. Where do you start to trace the number? You start at the dot at the top. Great job! You learned how to write the numbers 6 and 7.
All right, on page 98, look at number 1. It's inside of the star. How many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, you start at the top and you make a little loop. Number 2, inside of the apple, how many purses are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Line over and then a line down. Number 3, let's count the flip-flops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, I want you to do this page by yourself. Let's do number 6 together, because this one doesn't have the dots. Let's count the jellyfish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do the other 3 by yourself. All right, number 8 and number 9, I want you to look at these numbers and draw that many counters. So let's do the first one. What number is this? This is number 6. So we're gonna draw how many counters? 6 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What number is this? Number 7, so you're gonna draw 7 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now number 10, you are going to count each group of objects. So it wants you to count how many, I guess it's suntan bottles, how many seagulls, how many shells, and how many towels. So let's count the bottles. We have, and if it helps you, you can put a little mark on them, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 suntan lotion bottles. Now let's count our seagulls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I want you to count the seashells and the towels by yourself. And then you're gonna write the numbers down next to it. Okay, these are numbers 6 and 7.